Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the major issues that was actually done with the Copilot is that a group has decided to test out search results of all sorts of critical information, anything from elections to medical to, important decisions you might want to think in your life. And of course, they went through and asked the Copilot for information to, have a better idea, for example, of all sorts of personal things, or maybe treatments options, or medicine, or like I said, anything politics. And what it says is to beware and be very careful. They said that often when asked about something, Copilot gives false info. And of course, in some cases, how do you discern that it's false from true? And if you're not, knowledgeable enough to know about it. So let's see here. How accurate is Copilot? So this is a warning by a group of researchers that says, look, be very, very careful about the results you get here. Do double check facts and check with other websites of that are good info. But this is interesting to see that. Wow, this is a long answer. How accurate is Copilot? Accuracy of Copilot depends on the type of task, the programming language, and the quality of the data that it's trained on. According to Microsoft, Copilot is beyond an average of 46% of developers code across all programming language. However, this does not mean that Copilot always produces correct or optimal code. So there's a lot of stuff here in the accuracy. So they are themselves saying, be careful about Copilot. And here they're talking about code, of course, but I could have actually put accuracy of Copilot answers to questions or something. One thing for sure, if you do try it and if you do ask questions to it, I think you have to double check because you never know. And the best way to see its accuracy is actually to ask questions about things you really know well. Anything that you're very knowledgeable about, that kind of gives you an idea. If it gives false answers, you'll know immediately. So be careful. And that research team says you should not take the answers that you get from Copilot as being an absolute truth. There's a lot more to that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.